Develop a talent. 1. Choose a talent. Starting with what you're naturally good at is a fantastic idea. However, you should also choose a talent that you find enjoyable. You'll be working on this talent for many, many hours, so if you don't like it, you'll be unhappy. Furthermore, it will be simpler to achieve fame if your talent or skill is driven by passion. Consider a career in the arts, such as music, acting, writing, or painting. But keep in mind that in any of these industries, you'll need to market yourself and establish a reputation for yourself. We often connect celebrity with artistic professions like acting and music, yet any public figure can claim to be renowned. You can recognize politicians, football coaches, small-town business owners, and even meteorologists in the grocery store. 2. Study under the greatest. You'll perform better if you take advantage of others' knowledge, no matter what talent you're attempting to acquire. This can entail enrolling in courses in your area of interest, locating a mentor, watching online tutorials, or reading books from the library. Even all of the aforementioned is possible. Let people assist you while you travel. 3. Practice makes perfect. While it's debatable whether practice can turn you into a genius at something, there's no denying that it does improve you. 10,000 hours is a magic figure that might help you estimate the amount of time required. Although you don't have to take a seat and count the seconds, it should help you understand how much time it takes to develop a talent. 5. For instance, it would take 2,000 weeks or roughly 38 years to become an expert in a field if you put in 5 hours every week. On the other side, if you can work 40 hours a week, you could master your field in just under 5 years. 4. Remind yourself that a skill is essentially just a talent. You won't likely improve if you simply think that what you do is pure talent. Anytime you don't succeed, you'll excuse yourself by saying, "Well, I just don't have enough talent." However, if you approach it as a skill, you'll have the mentality that you can improve. 6. Instead of saying to yourself, "I'm just not very good at this," tell yourself, "I just need to work harder to learn this part of my skill." Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.